Former Senator and Junior Foreign Minister Leslie Campbell has been found guilty of breaches of the Integrity Commission Act. Hey patriotic internet friends and family, welcome back to the channel. In this video, now picture this: a former junior minister caught in a web of corruption allegations, a fierce battle with the Integrity Commission, and an insurance policy that might not even exist. You're about to find out how Leslie Campbell's political career took a sharp turn. Stick around to the end. This one gets juicy. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more juicy updates on Jamaica's political and social scene. Welcome all patriotic Jamaicans. The movement continues. Make we get into it now. Let's kick it off. The charges and accusations. So let's dive into the latest political drama. Former State Minister Leslie Campbell, a key player from the ruling Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, has been found guilty of breaching the Integrity Commission Act. The guilty verdict came down on Tuesday, delivered by none other than Parish Court Judge Paula Powell in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. Ouch. It's safe to say Campbell isn't having the best of days. He was charged under the Parliament Integrity of Members Act and the Integrity Commission Act after an investigation revealed major gaps in his compliance with information requests. But wait, this gets better. Campbell's defense: he's accusing the Integrity Commission of, get this, misplacing the documents they claim he failed to provide. That's right. According to Campbell, the IC lost the very information they were charging him over. Can you imagine? A massive government agency and they misplace the info. Classic. But we know, however, we know not no go so. I just him, I try pull a stunt for say, yeah, me go know that the document they already know, but me no know how to do with it, but me sure me go know. And the IC I say, well, since you say you give it and we somehow misplace it or we can't find it, then all you do, you reproduce the copy, give us. You back a next copy because you say you give it already, so give it again. And I'll know him cannot produce the said document where him claim the IC lost or misplaced. Moving right along, the investigation and the drama unfolds. Now, let's backtrack a bit. It all started in 2016. According to Kevin Stevenson, the Director of Investigation at the Integrity Commission, the agency made a total of 39 written requests for Campbell to provide certain information. Sounds simple, right? Well, Campbell only partially complied over the course of 4 years. 4 years of back and forth. But that's not all. On February 20, 2017, the Integrity Commission reported Campbell to the leadership of Parliament for his non-compliance. And of course, as you'd expect in any drama, Campbell wasn't having it. He asked for an urgent review, claiming that the Guardian Life Care Plus insurance policy they wanted information on had no surrender value. Not exactly the explosive scandal we were hoping for, right? But it's a big deal. If this policy doesn't have any value, it begs the question, why were they even asking about it? Fast forward to June 2023, the Integrity Commission's investigation report hits the public, and boom, Campbell is officially charged. And remember, this whole situation was recommended by Keisha Prince Kamika, the IC's Director of Corruption Prosecution. She's the one who made the call to send Campbell to court. Talk about playing hardball. Now here comes the fallout. But what happens next? Well, Campbell's future in politics hangs in the balance. Is this the end of his career, or can he come back swinging? The former senator resigned from his post last year, but the charges are still out there, and he's due back in court on April 4th. Will he clear his name, or is this just the beginning of more scandals to come? The drama continues, and the Integrity Commission is standing firm as Jamaica's primary anti-corruption watchdog. But with all the political tension, don't expect this one to wrap up easily. And of course, there's that lingering question: how much truth is there behind these accusations? Did the Integrity Commission lose the paperwork? Was the insurance policy just a scapegoat? Stay tuned to find out. Here's a summary of the highlights and key takeaways. 1. Leslie Campbell found guilty of breaching the Integrity Commission Act after failing to comply with 39 written requests for information. 2. The charges stem from non-compliance with the Parliament Integrity of Members Act and the Integrity Commission Act. 3. Campbell's defense. He says the IC misplaced the documents that they're accusing him of failing to provide. 4. He contends that the Guardian Life Care Plus insurance policy has no surrender value, something the Integrity Commission took issue with. 5. The Integrity Commission had reported him to Parliament back in 2017 for not complying. 6. Keisha Prince Kamika, Director of Corruption Prosecution, pushed for the charges. 7. The former senator resigned in 2023 but is set to return to court on April 4th. Let's get into my breakdown, my reaction, and my commentary. PM Andrew Holness, Dalrymple Filbert, and now Leslie Campbell. That 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's 3 labor rights so far in an entanglement with the IC. An IC report was released last year, June. Leslie Campbell also resigned last year from the Senate. However, don't watch Leslie Campbell's resignation. If you've been paying keen and close attention, the JLP have a style where when you see they make somebody resign, within a year, you see him get reinstated back into Parliament. Case in point, perfect example, Mama D, Dalrymple Filbert. Cause she did resign last year. When you look fast forward 1 year later into this year, she win the by-election and boom, she back in a Parliament. So don't watch the resignation. When Labour right make them resign, that no mean nothing. And to the Labour right and the JLP party, they feel like that is perfectly okay and nothing wrong with that. Yes, there is something absolutely wrong with that. Whenever somebody name call up in a something like that and they resign, you should replace them. Once your name get tainted and call up in any form of accusations with a watchdog body like the Integrity Commission, just replace the candidate. Find Jamaica full of qualified people with more than enough degrees and doctorate to go around. Even though they have more degrees than a thermometer, and them still can't fix the economic woes and issues of the country. However, there is more than enough replacement. You no need to reinstate them back in public office. That's basically a slap in the people of Jamaica face. Una insult to intelligence every time you do that. If you're new to the channel, to the comment scholar them, we love run in the comment section and I talk about, oh, my information is misleading. Me not care about your feelings. Me not go cater or pander to your emotions either. My source is the Jamaica Gleaner. And me never see uno over the Jamaica Gleaner. In a for them comment section, I said an article misleading. So if my information misleading, when me I get directly from the Gleaner news article, then Gleaner misleading. And if you don't say that to Gleaner, don't come over here and I write that in my comment section. If you have an issue with when me read from the Gleaner article, then you're obviously in the wrong place. This is not your tribe. And I'm not being disrespectful. I am saying this with the greatest of respect. Cause we not disrespect people. So I will never disrespect nobody in my comment section. But I will address the comments. But always I say, oh, you spread propaganda, you mislead people with your information. No. I always read directly from a news article. Always. That I'm a source. My source can easily be fact checked at any time. So if you now read the Gleaner article, that not nothing to do with me personally. So basically, I counted 3 JLP members so far. So if me left out anybody else, please put it in the comment section. Let me continue counting how much JLP MPs and senators will have direct entanglement with the Integrity Commission at the moment. Cause I'm not sure if me have everybody, but me have 3 and counting. And that's all for today's political drama. What do you think? Is this just another example of the Integrity Commission playing hardball, or is Campbell really guilty of dodging the rules? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next twist in this ongoing saga. See you in the next one. One love, Jamaica.